Okay, let's start with a quick show of hands, okay? How many people in the audience think that apartment rents in Boston are too damn expensive? Oh yeah. Okay, this right here is one of the biggest problems that our cities are facing. Places like Boston, New York, San Francisco, but also Shanghai, Hong Kong, London, are kicking out, pricing out the very people they need to remain globally competitive. The young millennials, the creative class, the entrepreneurs. And this is terrible because places like Boston are not what they are without people like you. So what is the status quo of trying to solve that? As the square footage is by far the biggest cost, cities are just shrinking apartments. The problem is that no one wants to live in a tiny, conventional shoebox prison cell. More advanced solutions are either one-off expensive prototypes, apartment prototypes that do not really scale to commercial real estate, or things that were in my grandparents' home 30 years ago, like the Murphy bed, which are not really great for daily use. So we are proposing a world in which furniture has superpowers. Because as you can see in this video, we truly believe that the only way of making a space act like if it was twice or 3 times bigger is through robotics. So think about those tables, beds, closets, walls that could move effortlessly with a finger touch or a gesture and transform the space on demand. Think about these systems being intelligent so that they can understand the environment and talk to other smart devices so that the Internet of Things is not anymore about just peripherals, like thermostats, lights, and watches, but also about the things that really give personality to our spaces. So think about how our spaces could even be programmable. But now, after that laugh, serious now, the big question, which is, how do we disrupt the most, or one of the most risk-averse industries out there, real estate? Let me tell you how we do it, step by step. We start with disentangled, standalone systems that can be integrated into real existing apartments. So imagine something that can be installed like an IKEA piece of furniture or like a fridge and basically create walk-in closets, bedrooms on demand and really maximize the space. Now, let's start thinking about new buildings in which an architect has a blank canvas so they can design and optimize the space to really integrate more of these systems. And last but not least, think about how our homes could be created, could be customized. The same way we customize our mobile phones, our computers, our cars. They could be developed in the factory and basically built into site like Lego blocks. Let me tell you, this is not science fiction anymore. This is real. This is now. We are creating these scalable technologies, these scalable components that can be adapted to create endless product possibilities so that we can adapt to different users, like young people, elderly, working class families, but also different spaces, like homes, offices, hotels. And best of all, let me tell you that the complexity and the cost of these components is very similar to the only transformable element most of us have in our homes. And do you know what that is? The garage door opener. The team behind MorphLab is the same team that developed all these prototypes and all these concepts at the MIT Media Lab, with the help, with the sponsorship of companies like IKEA and Steelcase, the core engineering team, the faculty member at the Media Lab, and the help from the Sloan School of Management. Again, this is not science fiction anymore. This is real. And if you're as excited as we are about this new world of possibilities, please come to our booth, keep in touch, because we are MorphLab, and we are here to morph your space. Thank you. Thank you.